Hello friend, this Friday hit your nearest cinema hall with blockbuster Hindi version of Telugu movies. That name is Hit the Second Chapter. In Telugu language, this film has already released on 2nd December 2022, where this film is directed by Shailesh Kolanu. Advi Sesh and Meenakshi Chaudhary played main role in this film. Let's begin the story of Hit's The Second Case. Ram Prasad perceives about his wife Jhansi's extramaternal affairs and feel broken, fearing that he would expose her. Jhansi has Ram Prasad arrested on flash material assault charges and ruined his reputation. Though he returns home, he is socially boycotted and later commits suicide. Krishnadev, shortly known as KD, is superintendent of police in HIT of Andhra Pradesh in Visakhapatnam, who is accomplished for his presence of mind and quickness in nabbing criminals. Is engaged in a live-in relationship with Arya, an entrepreneur who owns a boutique and is an active member of an association for women's welfare. A woman employed in a bar, Sanjana, is brutally murdered and butchered at her workplace after everyone leaves. Assigned on the case, KD learns from the forensic department that of the body part they found at crime spot apparently of Sanjana, only the head is her and the other body parts are of 3 other women. Though a white mark on Sanjana's neck, it is discovered that the murderer has an extra tooth on his incisors. Along with his teammates Abhilasha and Varsha, KD meets Sanjana's roommate Ranjita, who informs them of a pub where Sanjana frequented. KD and his team interrogated the staff but no benefited. KD meets Sanjana's parents and the one of her photo with her childhood friends. He realized that Sanjana had a friend, Ragha Buddhu, with an extra tooth on his incisors like that of murderer. Finding that he is employed in Visakhapatnam, KD suspects him of murdering Sanjana and goes to his residence in Vizag, finds the shoes that exactly match with the print found at the crime scenes. Ragha Buddhu claims that he did not murder Sanjana but refuses to illuminate where he was when the murder took place. Avilas learns that the assassination attempt on Bikram Rudra Raju was ordered by Bikrama's superior Vishwanath, who is now dead. Meanwhile, Arya tells KD that she is pregnant with his child. Court trials began against Ragha Buddhu, and due to political pressure as the brutality of murder earns great criticism from public and media, KD's superior DGP Nageshwar Rao ordered an encounter to be operated. Meanwhile, KD receives a mail and is notified that Raghu Buddhu was at Kakinada when Sanjana was killed. He contacts Nageshwar Rao to requesting him to stop Ragha Buddhu encounters, but Nageshwar Rao refused to oblige, frightened of the criticism police department would receive if everyone comes to know that the police have caught a wrong person. To rescue Raghu Buddhu, KD informs a journalist of this, seeking help and send him a video proving Raghavandhu's presence in Kakinada during the murder. The encounter is stopped, but Raghavandhu commits suicide in prison due to disgrace. Varsha informs KD that Raghavandhu was with his lover, who is married in Kakinada during the murder, and to protect her from being humiliated for meeting him, he refused to disclose where he was. KD receives threats from the murderer, whose next target are apparently Ranjitha and Arya. KD provides personal security for Arya's without revealing the truth to her, while asks Ranjitha to move in with her boyfriend Kumar. KD realized that pubs allow customers with a marks on their hand as an entry fee and find that a similar marks was found on the hand they found with Sanjana's head. KD traces the girl, Tanya, who went missing few days prior to her wedding a few months ago. Arya informs KD that Tanya was also an active member of the Women's Welfare Association. KD finds that the other body part belongs to Pooja, former president of the same Women's Welfare Association, whose corpse was found in Hyderabad by Bikram Rudra Raju. KD learns from an aged housekeeper that many years ago, president of the same association, Jhansi was also murdered brutally. KD and Varsha reach Jhansi's residence and find that Jhansi and Ram Prasad had a son. Later, the murderer abducts Arya KD and Barsha find that all the victims frequented a dental clinic owned by Rajiv Kumar Koduri, Ram Prasad's son, who was depressed as his father committed suicide out of disgrace while his mother had no regret. He targets Bowman from the Bowman's Association his mother worked at as its president. KD reaches the clinic and realizes that Rajiv is none other than Ranjita's boyfriend Kumar, who captures KD and threatens to kill Arya. KD's pet Max attacks and mauls Kumar while KD unties himself and defeats Kumar with Varsa's assistance, injuring him badly. After few days, KD files for a transfer to Telangana and marries Arya. Arjun Sarkar, whose role is played by superstar Nanis. KD's replacements arrive to congratulate him. Here director is given the another hint. Chapter 3 of Hits will coming soon.